Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere o, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala m, Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere m. Chineke nke igwe na-aza ekpere. Dere jigi 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 adajụkwala Chineke. Caro?
Chief. Good evening.
Hello, Tirim. Good evening. Hello, Tir.
Fine.
Bible, where are you headed to?
I'm heading to church to see if God can bless me with a husband. I've waited for too long.
And anyway, they will leave him on Agrams from Minimpo. I take a long mini waterproof. Nanga cock, Tamas, Ngams from Minimpo. Mekwana kind. I have a message for you.
Always very funny.
Lepanyama Wago, you got a church gate today. It is not only inside the church you can get a husband.
Continue.
Yes! Husband the Mabrunime your DM. Inbox. Go back to your inboxes and reply chats. Reply messages. There are a lot of husbands. Husbands opportunity Mabrunga nature. But because you are so pompous, you look down on them.
You be mumu.
You were pretty here on a laige jacagoriote. Gina chunken on a league by my. Go inside your inbox, reply your chats. The same people you are going to the church to go and look for, they are the same people in your inbox. The difference is because how you quote, not a church ever. Inbox how they go straight and direct. I love you. Once you reply, and then when Hannah came with ishi, before you know it, game up into matrimony. A word is enough for the wise. Use your phone. Inbox wisely. It's not only to go and check up fashion, check on your baroto, check on your marriage, your break, check on your dash. I get the breast, I get the head, I be her house material. No, don't always check on those ones. There are more important things you can benefit from your inbox and from internet.
Continue.
Than the other way around. May the pieces of the Lord be unto your heart.